Welcome to the Blackboard Original Training Series. In this video, we are going to cover the basics of working with groups inside of Blackboard Original. Let's get started. In some of your courses, your instructors might want you to work on some team projects, so you need to collaborate with your team members to work on different projects. So in your course, you usually can find your team under My Groups. For this case, I'm in Team 1. After I click the Team 1, I will see all the functions available in the teams. So the first thing I would do is go to the group homepage. So within the group homepage, you will be able to see your group members, and you are able to see you have 3 team members within your group. And you will see all the group tools. And the most important thing is that your instructor might assign different group assignments to each team. So under the group assignments, you will be able to see which project is assigned to your team. And after click the project 1, you will see the instructions on how to complete these team projects. And after that, you might go back to the home page and use different tools available within the group to work on this project with your team members. For example, you would be able to see the Collaborate. So Collaborate is a video conferencing tool you can use to have synchronous conversation with your team members. After joining the room, you can have some synchronous session with your team members to discuss what we are going to do to complete these projects. After you go back to the home page, you will see other tools like File Exchange. So in File Exchange, you are able to upload your own file, like by ending file and name your file. Browse local files to upload a file to submit. Now your file will be available in this File Exchange page, and your team members are able to see your file, so you can exchange your ideas with your team members. Go back to the home page, you will see other tools. In addition to Collaborate, File Exchange, you can use Group Discussion Board to exchange your perspectives with your team members. And the last important thing is that you might want to send some emails to your team members. So you will see that send email function is available under the group tools. So you can choose send email to send important information to your team members. After you've done the team project with your team members, just go to the group assignments and go to the project 1 to submit your assignment. And here you will see the task submission. So you can write your submission by clicking the Write Submission button, or you want to attach a file. For this case, you might create a Word document, so you can choose Browse Local Files. For example, you have a Word document about project 1, so you can attach here. You can change the title of the document. After that, you can click Submit button, and the system will ask you whether you want to continue and submit this document for the entire group. So you can click OK. If you successfully submit your file, a success information will appear on this page. If you successfully submit your file will appear on this page. Later on, your faculty will provide feedback and grade for your team project, so you can check them on here as well. So this is all the information about how to work with teams and how to use available tools within the teams to complete your group projects. Thank you for watching.